There is a tool called SEMrush. If you simply input your competitor URL and select your location you want to rank for and click on search, it will give you the keywords which your competitor is ranking for. It will give you the traffic, how much your competitor is getting. It will give you CPC of the keywords. It will also give you a graph when they started blogging and when they are ranking and when they're going down. And not only that, how much informational content they have written, how much commercial content they have written, and how much transactional content they have written in their blog article. And the best part, you can literally spy on SERP features where it will tell you how to dominate AI overview in a Google search. And what's best than knowing your competitor featured snippets, site links, images, people also ask for queries. So which is why I made this keyword strategy with SEMrush advanced tutorial for you to learn, okay? Completely dominate AI overview and ranking CRP features at the top. And I will also show you how to predict the trends, and I will also teach you how to use all these keywords and write a blog article SEO optimized. So stick to the end of the video to learn completely what I'm about to show you. Today I want to teach you a strategy to rank Hash1 on Google using SEMrush tool. And if you follow this strategy and apply to your blog or website, I'm pretty sure you will rank Hash1 or getting to top page SRP features easily. So with that being said, I'm going to show you a SEMrush tutorial and using Google Trends. Okay, so we'll also be using ChatGPT or Claude. You can use either one of them, chatbot. So the prompt is simple for all of them. Okay, now let's go to Google Trends, and here you want to go to the explore section. So I will show you a quick strategy. So I want to tell you, one strategy is predicting the future trends. Like Christmas is coming right that December. So right now when I'm recording this, it's on November 20, but you have December coming, right? So you might want to write articles on best Christmas gifts, best laptops for Christmas, is there a discount coupon, anything related to Christmas. Okay, it will build a trend. Like we are predicting the future trends. So instead, to be ready for that, I want to create an authoritative article. So here's how you can rank easily to if you create authoritative articles. So for that reason, I'm gonna go here and search for best gaming laptops. Okay, but before that, I want to see what the trends are. Okay, so Google Trends is updated real time, so it's best for to find the trends. So I'm gonna go here and type in my keyword. So simply you can type in best gaming laptops and hit enter. So make sure you're selected worldwide and past 12 months and all categories and web search. Okay, so here you have everything: Google search, YouTube search, but web search, and you want to compare it to another keyword which is combination of that. So I will go ahead and write top gaming laptops. Okay, so this is another keyword which I wanted to rank for, top gaming laptops. Now here we have got the trends, but it looks like the trend for best gaming laptops is more than the trend for top gaming laptops. So everybody searches for best gaming laptops. Nobody searches for top gaming laptops. Top gaming laptops is usually searched by rich people, like people who have money, but best gaming laptops. So now we know the graph and interest over time. The next thing is we want to use SEMrush tool. SEMrush is an advanced search engine optimization, finding keywords, finding long tail keywords, everything, okay, for YouTube SEO, Google SEO. So whatever search engine you want to rank for, we are going to use SEMrush in this whole tutorial, and I will show you a pretty advanced features, okay? But before that, I want to highlight some features from SEMrush. So you have at the top domain. If you simply enter your domain, it's going to give you what are the keywords it is ranking for and backlinks, every single thing, every single feature, every single information which you wanted to know in order to optimize your SEO score. And you also have traffic analytics, which if you enter a domain or keyword, it will find all the traffic analytics, where it is coming from, etc., every single thing. Okay, so you can go ahead and do here, and you have the location, like you have the feature, and you also have the feature to select the location, and yeah, you can target a specific country. And you also have an organic research where if you input the domain name, and it will give you complete organic research, everything. Okay, you also have the backlink gap finding, okay, finding the backlinks from your competitor and your website. Okay, now we want to directly go to navigate to keyword magic tool, where you have a feature in SEMrush which is really advanced, and I like this feature and I use this feature all the time. Now here, simply, since we have got the keyword which is the best gaming laptops, and select my country where I want to rank for. So example US, and I simply click on search, and it's gonna give me every single data, every single long tail keywords, all the keywords, which is every single thing about the keyword within a minute. Okay, so you have questions, all keywords, broad match, phrase match, exact match, and even related. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna simply focus on the keyword difficulty here by using the keyword difficulty, because as a beginner, you are a blogger, you do not have domain rating. Okay, your domain rating will be anywhere from 0 to 2. Okay, so in order to increase, you want to write authority articles and also look for low keyword difficulty keywords, and also which has a search volume high. So here you have a specific filter called keyword difficulty, where you can filter out the keywords easily in one single click. Now I will show you. Here you have options: very hard, which is 85 to 100, which is not probably for you if your domain rating is less than 10, and hard, difficulty, possible, easy, very easy. Now as a beginner, I will go here and select very easy. Okay, now let's see what are the keywords it is coming up. So you have only 2 keywords, which is a best gaming laptop for golf simulator, like many people play golf simulator games. So best place to sell gaming laptop. Oh, this is not a keyword, but what I can do is I can go here and I can input a custom range. Now I can go here and tell it 0 to 50, okay, maybe 45, and apply. Now here you will get a keywords which has a keyword difficulty 0 to 45. Alright, we have got the keywords. So here you have many keywords, which is 300 keywords. Okay, so total search volume, it's giving us 57,000 search volume. Imagine getting a 0.10%, or maybe even 5%. Okay, so best gaming laptop under 1,000, best cyberpunk options for gaming laptop. Since I'm ranking using United States location, it is giving me, it should be giving me in dollars, right? Best gaming laptops under $1,000. Best cyberpunk options for gaming laptop. Best gaming laptops for Fortnite. So here we can take advantage. Okay, so Fortnite events come up. Many people play Fortnite, and also many people play Cyberpunk, and GTA 6 is going to release, and we can also target that keyword, best gaming laptops to play GTA. So we have all those keywords. So what I can do is, so these are all easy keywords, right? I'm gonna find which has a high volume. So I have already filtered, and here I have the keyword difficulty. If you look at the 2 keywords, this 27 is has low difficulty than the first one. Okay, best cyberpunk options for gaming laptop. We don't want to rank that. This is not intent for gaming laptops. Best gaming laptops. So here I'm going to take another look. Best gaming laptops Fortnite. So when I simply click on it, this is the magic, guys. You have everything. Okay, so keyword variations, optimization. For optimization, you have 35 keyword variations for just best gaming laptops for Fortnite. Okay, now we want to use this, and questions like user search engine questions. What is the best gaming laptop for Fortnite? We can highly target this. Okay, so here for keyword strategy, if you have more data, it will give us a keyword strategy plan. Example like this. Okay, best gaming laptop under $1,000. It has a keyword strategy. Okay, so best budget gaming laptops, best gaming laptop. This is like a building authority. Okay, now what I can do is I can simply scroll down for best gaming laptops under $1,000 or best gaming laptops for Fortnite, and see which are the competitors are ranking at the first page. Okay, here you have pages 1 to 10 and 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40 SRP futures. Okay, I can also view SRP. I can simply click on it and it will take me to SRP page. So it will take me to SRP page, and I can easily target these keywords. Okay, I can take information what is in the top, and I can use that information. But what's most important is see which has a backlinks less and search traffic high and domain authority low and keywords more. So we're gonna see here. Okay, so if you look at example page AS authority score, we want authority score to be low, because as a beginner you will also have authority score 0. So if somebody with the authority 0 is ranking at the top for this keyword, and why shouldn't you try the same and rank for it? So here example, you can see the PC guide has 15 authority score and 201 URL keywords and search traffic 63, backlinks 11. Okay, Now if you look at the digital trends computing best laptops for Fortnite, it has a very less, domain authority score, and referring domains 33, backlinks 116, search traffic is 52, and URL keywords. Okay, so let's take a look at this keyword. I can simply click on it and it's gonna take me to, so here we are at the digital trends best laptops for Fortnite landing, blog page. Now keep in mind guys, the first thing we have done is go to the trends.google.com to find the pickup of the trends. Okay, so we have Christmas, many people buy the gifts, so laptops as a gift. And second thing we have did is we used SEO SEMrush tool. Okay, so as I told, you need to go to the keyword magic tool and input your keyword, and it's gonna show you every single data you want. Pick up a low keyword density, low keyword difficulty keyword, and see the keyword strategy, see the domain authority score which has a less, which is ranking at the first page, and take that, go to that blog. Okay, now we are at blogs which has a domain rating completely less than 30, maybe better if it is less than 40, and we have all this information. So you need to replicate this. Now what I mean by replicate, it doesn't mean that you need to copy entire thing. What you simply have to do is copy this URL, go to the SEMrush and click on organic research, and it will ask you to enter domain, subdomain or URL. Since we can enter URL, I can simply put in the URL and hit search. You can choose a location and you can hit the search, and it will give you entire domain, entire URL analytics. So here you can see the specific URL is ranking for 120 keywords, and traffic has a 56, and traffic CPC is $16. We're gonna use advantage of this. Okay, intent of the article is informational. 62% is informational, because informational content we can write using ChatGPT, easy. Commercial keyword, we have to take a little bit of research. Okay, here go to Amazon and inquire about the prices, every single thing, get the updated picture, modify it and put it in your blog article. And 5% we have transactional, okay, which is giving FAQs. Okay, so is it a laptop good for Fortnite? Is it a laptop good for other games? Give simple transactional information. Okay, now we have the top keywords. The best thing is, I don't know if you can see it or not. All right, right now you can see you have the 3 parameters right here. Okay, so you have the 3 parameters right here. Okay, if you can see this, all positions, organic and SRP features. So if I click on navigate to one particular thing, it's gonna show me what is ranking for organic and how it is ranking for SERP features. My always intent will be rank on features, because AI overview we want to take it. So here you have specific intent keyword for ranking of the SERP features, so we're gonna take advantage of it. And not only that, if you scroll down a little bit, it's gonna show you SERP feature trends, like when it is ranking the SERP feature trends. You can also view all the 5 keywords, and if you scroll down a little bit more, you have the site links, the images used, the people also ask keywords. Okay, things to know, image packing, featured snippet. I can simply click on featured snippet and get to know all the questions, all the keywords is ranking in the featured snippet. Okay, so example, what laptops can run Fortnite, and best laptops for Fortnite itself, the main keyword. As you saw, SEMrush has every single thing, every single analytics. Now what you can do is simply go to any ChatGPT or any AI bot, and you have to customize a prompt. Don't know how to customize it? Simply go to Make Money Raj YouTube channel, my channel, hit the subscribe button, and here I have made a video, write 100% SEO articles using new ChatGPT, only one click, AdSense upload, or ranking, getting the traffic. You can watch the 5-minute video. I'm gonna show you every single thing, like how to customize your own ChatGPT to write like you, and write all with all the intent, tone, grammars exactly like you. So how to replicate that, you can do that. Okay, so that's it guys. If you like this video, there'll be a link in a description for SEMrush 7-day free trial, and when you click on it, you will get a SEMrush 7-day free trial without asking you anything. You can use it, all the features of SEMrush, for 7 days completely for free. So with that being said, catch you on the next one.